Transform your lips naturally. Did you know your lips are incredibly unique and special? Today, I'll show you how to keep them plump, smooth, and beautiful naturally. Taking care of your lips. Our lips are sensitive and fragile, with many sensory nerves. They need extra care because they don't have the same protective layer as the rest of our skin. This makes them prone to chapping, dryness, and cracking, especially in winter or with frequent sun exposure. Common lip problems. Licking your lips might seem like a good idea, but it actually makes them drier due to enzymes in saliva. Another culprit? Sodium lauryl sulfate in toothpaste. Check your labels and switch to an SLS-free option to help keep your lips hydrated. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Hydration is key. Your lips are one of the first places to show signs of dehydration. Drink plenty of water to keep them plump and healthy. Boosting collagen. As we age, collagen production decreases, leading to thinner, less elastic lips. Here are some exercises to boost collagen and keep your lips looking youthful. Vitamin E. Apply vitamin E oil to your lips to boost circulation and generate new cells. Aloe vera gel soothes and heals lips, making them look their best. Coconut oil fights inflammation and keeps lips soft. Honey, a great moisturizer that keeps lips hydrated. Lip exercises. 1. Pinch and stimulate. Use your fingers to pinch the top and bottom lips, stimulating blood flow and collagen production. Do this for 20 seconds each. Circular movements. Use your fingers to make small circular movements around your lips for 20 seconds. Lip press. Press your lips together tightly and use your fingers to try to pull them apart, holding for 3 seconds. Smile and blow a kiss. Smile wide, then pucker your lips as if blowing a kiss. Big O. Form a big O with your lips, feeling the muscles contract. Final tips: maintain a balanced diet, exercise, manage stress, and get enough sleep for the best results. Your lips will look plump, smooth, and youthful in no time. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Share it with friends and family. Leave your comments below. Have a great day. Stay tuned for more natural beauty tips.